Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to BNB. We have this constellation and it looks very bad for BNB. I would say we could get something like that, yeah, 480, yeah, and then I think more sideways movement, top side, and then the fall will begin. But let's look more near term. You can see this is only a view, top view. I would say that we going more in detail. Then we can look to this structure and then we can decide, okay, what is possible and what not. Yeah, if I look to this here, then and compare this with Bitcoin, then you can see that we have here um, a fall 10,000, yeah, 10,000 points. If I look to BNB, we have here nearly a fall 140. That means the rising trend was this here, and you can see we fall here to the downside. Let's look more clear uh, which situation we have here. I think we make here a retest. You can see the average of this between them and them is this here. So I think we make here only a retest. If I look to PNB, so that we could say, okay, we have here also an average of this, so the price will move here in this case. But I think we make here only a retest of this, so that I think that the price will go here to the downside. Let's check here what we have here. Give me a little time. The price is coming from 250, is going to 500, so a double of this. And if I look to the Bitcoin price, for me is this is not stable. The price will fall to the downside. Let's look. So let's look to this here. So I think the price will go here to the downside. This was only here a retest of this level. So I think we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And if I look to BNB, this is highly danger. Let's look here more in detail what structure we have here. We have here this the constellation that we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. I zoom in. This is positive, this is negative, and that what we have here is a highly danger negative. So I would say, let's look. I would say that we go here. Maybe let's look. Maybe here in these levels, maximum 450. Yeah. If we could break this here, then I would say we have a good place like that to go to 500. But let's say last number is 450, so that we delete this here, and I would say we have something like that. So 10-20% is 500, um, the rest is here 450. So I would say we will get here something like that. The price will go here to the downside. We have here the situation that we test this here often, and the price will fall to levels of, let me check. We could fall to $70. something like that. So many of you not believe this because they think, okay, the price is going here to the top side, but the problem is that this formation is uh, not a good formation or not a healthy um, formation. The price will go here to the downside. This is clear. And let's look to Bitcoin price. You can see also here the Bitcoin price is not stable. You can see here that what we make here is only a retesting some areas. Let's look. Something like that. Yeah. Let's see what's happening here. I would say the trend is going to the downside. If you see here at PNB, we have the same situation. If you look here, we have here this trend to the top side, and you can see we make our trend, or we break here the trend to the downside and try to break here um, this to the top side. And for you and for the Moon Boys, why is PNB not 800? Could you explain me this? Why we have here not the situation that the price is going to 800 again? I can tell you why we not going to the top side. The reason is we already break this here to the downside and make a retest. Yeah, and that's the reason why we're not going here to the top side. If we stay here at this levels, here something like that, then I would say okay, we have a theoretical chance to go to 800, but this chance is gone. Yeah, we have not the possibility now to go here to the top side. The price will go here to the downside in direction of 200. This is the first step, and then the second step is to retest this area 188 and make a retest of this area and then the big fall. I would say December is a good place to fall, end of December, something like that. To 60, I would say, because we have here the situation and our base is here in this area. So many people don't believe this, but this is coming um, because we have here not stable situation. So have a nice day.